Are calls to your iPhone getting forwarded to another phone number instead? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it in just a few simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. If you're using iOS 18, scroll down and tap Phone. If you're using iOS 26 or a later version, tap Apps, then scroll down and select Phone. Now, scroll down until you find Call Forwarding, then tap on it. If Call Forwarding is turned on, that's the reason your incoming calls are being sent to another number. To fix the problem, simply turn off the Call Forwarding toggle. If you still want to forward calls, you can tap Forward To and replace the current number with the correct one. Once you've disabled Call Forwarding, your incoming calls should start ringing on your iPhone normally again. If the issue still isn't fixed, restart your iPhone and ask someone to call your number again to check if everything is working properly. And that's it! That's how you can fix calls going to another number automatically on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching,